one, and I did one more from the people expecting people to behave according to my this thing. 3 things.
My God, this last one you should have sent me the words.
No, जो आपके ही है उसमें से ही I picked it up. Expectations. I picked up the
people
VCT.
to act according to my wish. I don't think I'll ever make a statement on that.
No. I am giving a gist of it. What I meant was.
Lekin yaar, this gist is wrong.
I'll tell you, ma'am. In the
Tell me which one.
Trap of expectations. Trap of expectations जो आपने कल डाला.
Okay. So it is not expecting people to change on.
No. Behaving according to my this thing, not change. Behaving according to my wishes. I expect that from others, that they should speak softly.
To remove that. Okay.
Yes, to remove myself from that trap of expecting others to behave in a particular fashion. For example, I don't like people talking loudly. Correct. Make your point, but don't talk loudly. I even want to work. That's a trap for me. In a way, because I'm expecting them.
Correct.
That is the.
Let me bring to your notice something that I take care of when I am titling these statements.
Yes, ma'am.
Some places you must have seen that I say it's a statement on, and at other places I say it's a statement for.
Yes.
When I'm saying it's a statement on, it's on an issue, on a problem.
Right.
To remove, we resolve. So our focus is on removing something.
Right.
Whereas at another time, our focus is for choosing something for ourselves.
Right.
But what is it to be removed for choosing that? That still has to be mentioned. So depending upon the focus of the statement, you will see the title.
Okay, ma'am.
On means that which we have to remove, and for is that which we want for ourselves. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So that is one thing. And okay, Anita has come, but she's still joining. So it has been working for you very well, as I understand. Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I also.
What is the change? Okay. What is it also?
I also wanted to check with you, like, of course, this thing of expectations helped me a lot. Expecting a particular situation to unfold in the way I want. For example, I go to a restaurant. I have enjoyed the food for the first time. Okay. I want that enjoyment to be like the first time only.
That enjoyment to be like?
The same or maybe more.
Achha, like okay. The next time also it should be like the first time. Okay.
So that is working again on my expectations, ma'am.
Very right.
Trap of expectation. I am not concentrating on the doing, eating and enjoying, but I am concentrating on what I need to the result of the situation. कि मुझे ये enjoyment मिलनी ही चाहिए, correct?
बिल्कुल. And that's a trap.
That's a trap. That's a trap I fall very often into. I fall very often into this trap, which includes in your spiritual ventures also, which I've come to realize now.
Very true. Good realization.
Yes. That वो गलत है मेरा. I just have to do without these expectations. वो result तो जो आना है वो आएगा ही. But if I am the Gita's basic this thing के कर्म करो फल की इच्छा मत करो. That is what we are. That trap is constant. We have to be constantly aware. So I think this VCT of expectation helped me a lot, and I think it's going to help me in the long run. It'll remove a lot of kachra.
Yes, kachra. Bilkul kachra. It's such a cleansing technique.
Yes, it is, ma'am. You instantly feel light. You know, ma'am, I am getting a little surprised. ये magic है क्या है? Are you understanding my situation? You feel ये true है? Do I believe this? इसी से ही हो रहा है मुझे.
Okay, so today I will throw some more light on this.
Yes, ma'am.
Because unless and until the question arises in your mind, I may have said these things earlier, but it will not register with you. Because it's a very new field. We are so used to living only in the conscious plane. When I have repeatedly said this, that VCT works on what is on the surface. And when the surface has been worked at, removed, what is lying below the surface reveals itself. And if it has to be healed, yes, it heals, it comes up for healing. Now, what is this below the surface? On the surface is our conscious mind. Whatever we are conscious about, we can think about. Whereas below that is our subconscious. And subconscious is often forgotten memories. Means things that are there in our memory, but we have not been recalling it and we don't want to recall it for whatever reasons. So that also goes into our subconscious, and a lot of other things goes into our subconscious, what we hear, what we think, what we feel, what we experience in life, all our sensory inputs that we have, all the reading that we do, the media that we see, and our general overall things that we keep imbibing. Very often unknowingly, then knowingly. So that goes into our subconscious and we are not aware of it. So what this technique is doing, it is very gently, very, very subtly designed to tap into your subconscious, whatever is ready to be released. These various points, as it is, are known even in our ancient Indian psychology, where the marmasthanas are talked about. You talk of the acupressure, the Chinese meridians concept. So all these are really aiming towards the same thing. This has come into existence with you'll have to just wait for me for 2 minutes. I'll just come. Sorry. Where were we?
The
subconscious. So what happens is when we tap these, one is that these are the windows. These various points are the points where you can access the energy that is blocked, as well as you can use this door jaisa hai, window jaisa hai. You can use this for putting in the rightful thought. Now, what words you use is very, very important. The language has a big power. We have in our ancient sciences mantra shastra. So the entire concept of mantra are well chosen words which reaches right up to your subconscious. And then in the modern times, we have this NLP. There are other concepts like switch words and something on numbers and all that kind of stuff. It is an entire science. This technique has been developed with all these things in mind. And actually, it happened by trial and error to begin with. And then it got systematized to choose such points, because acupressure has so many points. There's no end to it, right? But very carefully, points have been chosen so that it affects all the parts of the body where sensation of this inner feeling in the subconscious can be experienced and accessed. So subconscious, which was not accessible to you otherwise, or mind for that matter, which is not accessible to us directly, except for the breathing. This is really tapping into that unknown aspect of you because we are not aware of it. Now that you are able to access it, you have to become more responsible in terms of tapping these points, in terms of intention that you have in mind when you're tapping, and in terms of the correct words to be used throughout the day or 24 hours. In other words, it compels you to improve upon your communication ability. Communication here is not only with the others, first it is communication with your own self. So unless and until that is what we work at, we can abuse it, misuse it.
Ma'am, I want to say something on this after you're done. I just remembered that what you're talking of, the communication with self. Now my communication with this is so instant that when this, say, a fear also comes up, of future. Say, for example, my daughter. When I hear, I immediately, even though I am fearing this, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. It's like immediate. Wow. The conversation is instant, ma'am. It's instant. So I want to tell you that's why it's working so beautifully for me. Even these 3 lines without the points now.
Yeah, because that is the key message. That is the key message, and by itself also is very powerful.
It's very powerful.
It changes your intention, no?
Yeah.
Just as I said, the intention matters.
Yes, because instantly
you have chosen words, so you can't go wrong with it.
Yes, ma'am. And it's instant, so instant that you feel it immediately. That's the magic of it.
I know. It also means, my girl, that you are ready for it.
Of course, ma'am. It's come at the right time to me. It's come at the right time to me. Thank you so much.
For some people, it doesn't work so well. It takes a little while. But for you, I know from just seeing the video that you tried out, it has worked for you. So I can imagine how very ready you are.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So give yourself also some credit.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for reminding me that.
No, very important, no? Because that is also truthfulness.
Yes, ma'am.
Denying ourselves, we can't be truthful.
True, ma'am.
We don't have to get carried away with it. We don't have to become heavy-headed.
Arrogant with it.
But at the same time, to acknowledge and accept, then you are thanking God, no, in that manner, that He is capable.
Yes, ma'am. True, ma'am.
You are His creation, so you have to be thankful to Him. So each time this occurs to you, don't have to get heavy-headed, but you have to be grateful.
Yes, ma'am.
So gratefulness kabhi nahi chhodna.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So one point I have addressed. You have any question? Then I will first answer that. Otherwise, I will go ahead with whatever next.
No, ma'am. Okay. No questions.
Anita, you have any question?
Didi, I'll ask you later. He's a bit kind.
Okay, okay. So now, going further in this process, You have been given sentences so far with just this one feeling word or one feeling phrase. Like today's sentence has a phrase. Yes. First, we were just doing angry, anxious, and things like that. But now you have seen that we have also been using phrase. Like afraid of height, we used. We also use this thing, afraid of being dependent on others for my well-being, right? So in this manner, we are learning how we can address the issue the way we feel it. Okay, so when we are making the first statement, which we call as the acknowledgement statement, or no, we should just call it acknowledgement statement when we are doing the first round with even though. Okay, that even though statement is the acknowledgement statement. We also did on 18th, there was what? Not able to ask for help or for money or whatever else you could add there. Then again, another phrase we came to, not clear about what I want to say. Lot of people have this difficulty कि एक situation में उस समय मेरे को ये कहना था, पता नहीं लेकिन मेरे से नहीं बोला गया. Either this or say I should have said something but I didn't know what to say and how to say. Yes, so those are the communication issue. So I've given there also a couple of options. You can just say communicate if that's what vibes with you, or convey to the other person what I wanted to convey. And yes, as nobody has given me any alternative, so I assume that what I have written has served its purpose. Then no one understands me is another big problem a lot of people face. I don't know if you vibed with it. You haven't said anything, so I understand that yes, there was something in it for you. All right, so that was the last one. Now, from today on, I want you to understand that you can tap not only on the uppermost feeling at that point of time, the way we have done so far, you can describe the entire situation in which the issue was faced. What happens with that is that a little larger area of our mind can be accessed through that one little issue. Ab jaise kaho ki, okay, I felt insulted. Insulted in what situation? What happened that I felt insulted? Or you got angry. I was angry because of this. Sometimes just saying angry, you're not feeling satisfied that yes, you have fully acknowledged it. You want to describe it, you want to say it. कभी कभी अपने आप में बस बड़बड़ होता है ना. कोई मिल जाए तो उसको हम पूरा खाली मेरे को बस गुस्सा आ रहा है इतना कह के नहीं हो जाता है चुप. Also say क्या हुआ था, क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है. जी. So that is what you are going to learn from now. So we may not describe in too much of detail, but at least sufficiently enough to feel satisfied that yes, we have fully acknowledged not only the feeling, the issue related to that feeling, the immediate cause as understood by me related to this feeling. So is there anything that comes to your mind so I can do something live? And otherwise, of course, some ready-made earlier statements are there, which can always be used, which I will in any case keep posting every day.
So ma'am, I have a question. What you said about feeling insulted, okay, that could be related to my self-esteem directly. It is going to that only. Yeah. And probably my self-worth. It is affecting that directly. So that I feel is the issue at its basis.
But at the same time, you can't go right to the root to begin with.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to clear the entire path to the root.
Acha.
And this, what you're saying, is coming from your cognitive domain. Whereas this work, the cognitive domain is clear. Therefore, you're able to understand it cognitively. But it
Right.
is the affective domain, the feeling domain, which is not clear about it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's
So we have to gradually go below it, and find out what is there in that. It must have been a defining moment that happened sometime, and we have converted it into an insult issue. We
Got
made
it.
an ego issue. We made it an issue of self-esteem. So the way the affective domain understands that self-esteem and whatever else is different. So
This is the problem area.
we need to work on it.
This is
उसको
the
भी clear
problem.
करना है, ताकि holistically we can become one.
So what year it is, ma'am? I know it is this, but I don't understand it when I go through it. That's the thing, ma'am.
You understand it, but only at the intellectual level.
Sorry, ma'am, your voice cracked.
You understand it, but only at the intellectual level. You also
at the
need to
intellectual.
understand it at the feeling level.
Okay, ma'am.
भावना.
Okay.
है ना? तो भाव भी समझना है ना?
जी मैम.
तो वो भाव नहीं समझ आ रहा है, उसका एक पहलू समझ आ रहा है, उसका बिहेवियर नजर आ रहा है और उसका सोच समझ आ रहा है, लेकिन उसका एटीट्यूड क्या है, उसके पीछे उसकी भावना क्या है, वो नहीं समझ आ रही है. You can give me one instance where this insult thing that you related with.
So for me, ma'am, anything that happens, say suppose someone insults me or someone tells me something, it goes to myself. I take it on myself. It's like मैं क्यों नहीं retaliate कर सकी, मैं क्यों नहीं बोली.
Give me one incident.
Incident could be, say, with my dearest pal, who we were together after, we got married and we had our differences, and because of the marriage, both of us had our own issues and we distanced ourselves. Okay. Distance हो गया थोड़ा create.
Distance हो गया.
उसकी वजह से. Like we were buddies, both of me and she. And after some years of marriage, we met at a particular location, all of us together, because of someone's bash. And there we were put in the same room together. And I expected her to be back to normal because I was trying to be normal with her. But things didn't happen the way we wanted, both of us. We didn't speak about each other's feelings. And at the airport, झगड़ा हो गया बड़ा सा. Like I said, you are a self-centered bitch. I told her this, which put her off because the word bitch and self-centered hurt her.
Yeah.
And that's it. And she spoke to the other people. And for मेरे लिए, this was a way of expressing myself that I'm hurting. Please speak up. This was me. And for her, it was कि अभी मुझे कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है. She closes when she's hurt. And
each
I
one
open up.
Has their way.
Yeah, we have our own ways. Now, 2 years have passed. We spoke also. But still, there is some hurt within both of us. Both of us acknowledge that. So what is it, ma'am, now? This is the incident.
Let us tap on this and see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you will learn how we are going about it. Now, for you, which you can note later on, for the first thing, I want you to first experience this difference. How does it work? Obviously, this instance, as you say, is 2 years old and it is continuing to affect in whatever smaller, larger way, correct?
Yes.
And the hurt is there. There is some insult involved in it. There is some blurting out is involved in it. And there is spoiling of relationship involved in it. Yes. So it's a combination of things. So you will see that the 3 statements that we make as acknowledgement statement, how we can make use of this. And we need not restrict to just 3 statements if we are not satisfied having acknowledged the whole thing that is coming up just now. You may not acknowledge the whole history of it. But the way it is surfacing just now, at least that has to be fully acknowledged for clearing. Okay? So let's do as I do and say as I say. Ready?
Okay. Okay.
Is there an issue with your connection that you are keeping your video off?
Yes, ma'am, I'm
Okay, no problem.
dressed
No
in my
problem.
night suit. I'm in my night suit.
चलेगा. That is not an issue.
Okay.
Connectivity का issue है तो भले.
नहीं, connectivity
ठीक
नहीं
है.
है.
चलो हम सब अपने घर में ही हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So do as I do and say as I say. Just let me at least see your face.
It's fine now. Afterwards. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Even though. Why are you tapping like this? 2 fingers like this. Ah, yes. Even though. The hurt is still so strong.
Though
So it's been 2 years.
Even though it's been 2 years.
I still feel bad remembering it.
I still feel bad remembering it.
I deeply and completely.
Love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself. In spite of trying to be normal, we ended up fighting. And I blurted out a hurt.
Sorry, ma'am?
I blurted out hurt.
I
feel bad.
Still,
I deeply and completely.
Love,
forgive, and accept myself. Even though it was bad scene.
It was a bad scene.
We had a fight. I deeply and completely.
Love,
forgive, and accept myself. Eyebrow point, badly hurt. Iron point, blurted out. Below the eyes, fight. Below the nose, spoiled relation. Chin groove, blurted out. Below the collarbone, fight. Below the armpits, hurt. On the lower ribs, spoiled relations.
What is it, ma'am?
Spoiled relations. Thumbnail, blurted out. Forefinger, hurt. Middle finger, fight. Little finger, hurt. Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely. Love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from this hurt. And I deeply and completely. Love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from the after effects of this fight. And I deeply and completely. Love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from the past hurt. And amend relationship. And I deeply and completely. Love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to have good, healthy, normal relationship. And I deeply and completely. Love, forgive,
Forgive.
And accept myself.
And accept myself.
Tap the eyebrow point. Amend this relationship.
Amend this relationship.
Eye end point. Free from this fight.
Free from this fight.
Below the eyes. Free from this hurt.
Free from this hurt.
Below the nose. Good relationship.
Good relationship.
Chin groove. Free from this fight.
Free from this fight.
Below the collarbone. Free from this hurt.
Free from this hurt.
Below the armpit. Amend this relationship.
Amend this relationship.
On the lower ribs. Free from this fight.
Free from this fight.
Thumbnail. Free from this hurt.
Free from this hurt.
Forefinger. Have healthy, good relationship.
Healthy, good relationship.
Middle finger. Free from this hurt.
Free from this hurt.
Little finger. Free from this hurt.
Free from this hurt.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. If when we started tapping, the charge, having remembered the instance, that emotion also comes up. If that was 10 points, how much is it now?
It is maybe 7.
7. And what has more charge? Is it the anger, the hurt? What has more charge?
It's both, ma'am.
Anger and hurt.
Yeah,
Anything
anger
else? Anything else is there?
No, it's anger and hurt. That expectation from one hand, and me to, I don't know, because the it's more of an expectation also now, ma'am.
Expectation. See, so that is another element which is present, which we haven't explored in or acknowledged in tapping. Okay, so let's work once more.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we must, when we start working on an issue, we must bring that charge to 0. And when we are retapping, particularly when we take peripheral things also included in it, not just one feeling, then we must look for, after doing one round of tapping, we must look for if there's anything else that is there in it. Like, see, expectation we didn't say earlier. Anger we didn't say earlier. So that has to be included in this round.
Okay.
Whereas in the earlier one, what we had learned, we just said remaining anger, remaining hurt, remaining insult. Now you see, we are going a little more further into cleaning up. So let's do this second round with these things included. Even though, okay, what is the expectation but?
Expectation is things getting back to normal.
Okay, means you expect this from yourself or from her?
More from her.
You want that she should approach you and talk to you, which you're waiting for, you're expecting. Very obviously, not going to happen. Means, in the sense, sorry, not going to happen, is not what we can tap for.
Tap for.
We can tap only for changing ourselves. So you can work at being free from the expectation, because the hurt is because of the expectation. The other person will do one's own karmas.
Yes.
We have to do our own karmas. Correct?
That's what I want to be free from that.
That
I want
very
to be
true. Correct.
Yes.
Let's begin. Even though I have this expectation
that
this relationship will heal. We will back be good old friends. Still, I deeply and completely love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Even though
Even though
I'm angry
I'm angry
about the way this relationship has worked out,
about the way this relationship has worked out,
I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Even though
Even though
I'm terribly hurt
I'm terribly hurt
that I've lost a very good friendship,
that I've lost a very good friendship,
I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Eyebrow point, lost good friendship.
Lost good friendship.
Tap at the eye end point. I expect it to be normal again.
I expect to be well again.
Below the eyes, I'm angry.
I'm angry.
Below the nose, expectation from this relation.
Expectation from this relation.
Chin groove, normal friendship.
Normal friendship.
Below the collarbone, angry. 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 Angry.
Angry. Angry.
Below the armpits, angry.
Angry.
On the lower ribs, expectation.
Expectation.
Thumbnail, angry.
Angry.
Forefinger, expectation.
Expectation.
Middle finger, lost relation.
Lost relation.
Little finger, lost relation.
Lost relation.
Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be.
Yes, ma'am, I couldn't hear you.
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from this anger,
free from this anger,
free from this expectation,
free from this expectation,
and I deeply and completely
and I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be
I choose to be
friendly again with her,
friendly again with her,
and I deeply and completely
and I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to be.
Ma'am, you cracked.
I choose to be
I choose to be
free from all hurt related with this friendship,
from all hurt related with this friendship,
and I deeply and completely
and I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Tap the eyebrow point. Restore this friendship.
Restore this friendship.
Eye end point, free from all hurt.
Free from all hurt.
Below the eyes, free from anger.
Free from anger.
Below the nose, free from expectation.
Free from expectation.
Chin groove, friendly again.
Friendly again.
Below the collarbone, free from anger.
Free from anger.
Below the armpits, free from expectation.
Free from expectation.
On the lower ribs, free from anger.
Free from anger.
Thumbnail, free from hurt.
Free from hurt.
Forefinger, free from anger.
Free from anger.
Middle finger, free from expectation.
Free from expectations.
Little finger, heal this relation.
Heal this relation.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. charge now?
Better, much better.
From 7, how much it has come down to?
5.
Still 5. And what else is there on the mind?
It's still this expectation, this hurt, as just now the last statements that you made.
So
I want to be free from it now.
If you can
So
spell out the whole expectation part of it, because I can see that is taking the grip of it. Means that whole story of expectation. I expect that she should do this. I expect I should do this, or I expect
Yes.
it should have happened that way. Yes. So if you can write that out, send it to me, the points. I will build up that tapping statements, and
Okay.
you do it a couple of times, and you will see the good result.
Okay, ma'am.
This is what I keep meaning
Okay.
when I'm writing again and again. Is there anything that you want to particularly tap on? Yes?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
what is your expectation in this relation that it is not healing? That is blocking, right? So if you write that down, you will see how the statements are made. Then you will make correct relationship with those statements.
Okay, ma'am.
One simple thing could be like in the earlier one, even though I have this expectation, this expectation, this expectation, this expectation, and then I choose to be free from this expectation. Repeatedly do that, also it will work.
Yes, ma'am.
But it will
This
take a long time.
It's expectation and free from hurt, both I want.
So you just write down,
There is hurt.
because see, you have this in your mind. When you just put it down in words, some of it will reduce just by putting it in the words.
Okay, ma'am.
And then when you tap on it, जो भी थोड़ा चार्ज बचा है ना, आज शाम तक तू उसको निकाल दे.
ठीक है, मैम.
Okay, तो मेरे को भेजेगी, तो मैं उसको करेक्ट करके भेज दूंगी, statements बना के. You make it also in your own way, the statement. Wherever you can't make the statement, you just write the instant.
Okay.
Means the feeling related to the expectation and the hurt. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
And किसको मालूम? By the time we have the next webinar, you will have already spoken to her nicely.
Ma'am, we are speaking nicely. She also understands the need, and I also understand. But as you're telling, at the feeling level, both of us
क्योंकि
are
फिर खाली
unable
बात करने में मजा नहीं है ना.
हाँ,
वो
feeling
satisfaction
level
नहीं होता जो दोस्ती का होना चाहिए.
वो feeling level पे अभी तक
हम
नहीं
उसी को
चला.
ठीक करेंगे.
Yes.
उसी को ठीक करना है.
And I feel I am the more needy one. मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा.
Write down this also. So we will include this.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? छोटी से छोटी भी जो उससे रिलेटेड है ना फीलिंग, जो बाधा आ रही है, उसको अपन निकाल देंगे. ठीक है?
ठीक है, ma'am.
चलो. So nice. I think I couldn't have done it better unless and until you have given me this example. So I'm so thankful that you could come
And
up
I'm
with something.
so grateful
Arre,
that I'll be able to get over this.
I know.
I will be able that is so empowering that I'll
It
be
is
able
very
to
empowering.
get it.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. In fact, everyone who joins this and learns this end up saying कि my God, ऐसा लगता है कि अभी कोई चीज की डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारे पास में एक चीज है जिससे हम सब ठीक कर सकते हैं.
हम अपने आप, अगर भगवान ने इतनी सक्षमता दी है तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
कर सकते
अगर
हैं.
आत्मा इतना आत्मनिर्भर है तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
कर सकते हैं. खाली हमारे को रास्ता मालूम होना चाहिए, तकनीक मालूम होनी चाहिए. जो
वो हेल्पलेसनेस तो लगती है ना, वो अच्छी नहीं लगती है.
इनफैक्ट हेल्पलेसनेस के ऊपर यदि कभी भी लगता है ना, तो उस दिन शाम को सोने से पहले तो एक बार कर ही लो. इवन दो आई एम फीलिंग हेल्पलेस एंड चूज टू बी फ्री फ्रॉम हेल्पलेसनेस. ये बार बार होता रहता है.
जी जी
तो
जी.
उसको कर ही लेने का. इट वो तो सिंपल वाला है. फर्स्ट लेवल का जब टेक्निक सीखी थी उसी में आ गया.
जी जी.
हेल्पलेस एंड फ्री फ्रॉम हेल्पलेसनेस.
यस मैम.
ठीक है, वो तो कर ही डालने का. और जो वन वर्ड वाला जो है वो तो किसी भी दिन कुछ भी कर रहे हो उसको निकालते ही रहने का. यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू स्लीप विद एनी दिस मच ऑफ नेगेटिव फीलिंग अनहील्ड. तो उससे क्या होगा? अक्यूमुलेशन नहीं होगा. जैसे अभी कह रही 2 साल से वो अक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है कि अभी भी बात करते हैं लेकिन वो दिली बात नहीं होती है. करेक्ट? और दोस्तों की तो जरूरत सभी को है
जी
ना? भले बात नहीं करें लेकिन दोस्ती चाहिए,
जी
है कि नहीं?
जी
There are friends I haven't spoken for 6 months now. But I know if we will pick up the phone, it will be like no time is lost in between. वैसा
Yes.
चाहिए ना?
यस यस यस
तो वो बात है, दोस्ती
जी
की खासियत वही होती है.
जी 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 जी
You will restore it.
यस आई वांट टू
You will. Chalo.
थैंक यू मैम.
Good. So you got the point. How we can work on the issue. I will start giving you such tapping now on. Today तो आज का ये तेरा है, वो ही करना है, उसको improve करके मैं दूंगी तेरे को. From tomorrow onwards, whatever I will post also will have either 2 or 3 statements for acknowledgement, and similarly 2 or 3 statements for choice. Also, on the points, I'll give you 2 or 3 words or phrases with commas. So on different points, you can say different things. That's what it means. ठीक है? You can repeat, say यदि 3 points दिए हैं, comma करके, तो एक point पे एक point, दूसरे point पे दूसरा word, तीसरे point पे तीसरा phrase, ऐसे करके करना है उसको.
Yeah, that I've understood, ma'am. That I've understood.
हो गया then. Good. You're progressing very well. I'm so happy with you, Payal.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Even I'm feeling much feeling empowered.
Empowered. Yes, that's what it should do.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Enjoy yourself. Have a great day.
Bye.
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 Bye.